Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I just wanted to say I am loving this Jeep. Now I understand what all the fuss is about. I've ridden in Jeeps before. It's been long ago. They were, CJ5, CJ7s, but I never owned one. And I tell you what, I absolutely love this thing. It's not my everyday vehicle. I bought it, to put together an overland vehicle, things that something me and the wife can enjoy together. But I tell you what, there's just something about having a manual speed transmission, looking out over that flat square hood, nearly flat windshield, and just the feel of a solid axle, front and back is just, I don't know. I can't explain it. I don't know why I waited so long to jump in a Jeep and actually have one, but I don't know if I can do without one now. I think I'm always going to have a Jeep, and there's just something about them. I don't, they are kind of iconic as far as off-road vehicles, things of that nature. But I'm loving this thing. It's just something about driving a Jeep. It's that feeling, especially it's just with a manual speed transmission. I haven't driven a manual speed transmission since I was probably 18, and that's been that's been 20 years ago or so. So it's I don't know, that connection to the vehicle. There's something about it. I necessarily can't explain it. If I had to explain it, you probably wouldn't understand anyways. But definitely loving the Jeep life. And what do you like about your Jeep, guys? I'm glad to hear about it. Drop the comments down in the comments section, and maybe you can explain it better than I can about that feeling of driving a Jeep. If you can, I'd love to hear it. But anyways, I got to get back to enjoying this Jeep, and thanks for watching, guys.